to my channel. Today we will see how to make short crust roses with apple and custard cream. Now we will move next to the worktop and we will see the ingredient. The ingredients are short crust dough, 2 apples, blueberries, custard cream and brown sugar. Now we see how to carry on. First of all, we wash our fruits. Then we peel the apple, and now we can start to bake the dough. If the dough is too sticky, you can use a little bit of flour. We're gonna sprinkle as well some flour on the rolling pin, and we roll the dough till it's thin enough, like 1 centimeter. Once the dough is thin enough, we can start to cut some pieces and we can start to cover whole mold. We're gonna remove the excess of the dough. At the meantime, we're gonna preheat the oven under the 80 degree and we're gonna carry on covering the rest of the molds. A little tip for today: because the dough is too soft now, I will put it back in the cling kitchen film and I will put it in the fridge. Once ready, we can leave it in a side, and with the mandolin we can start to cut the apple in very thin slices. After we take the short crust, and inside we're gonna put some custard cream. Then with the apple slices we're gonna put it in this way, like roses. If the slices are too big, we can break it like this and we can put it in this way. So we're gonna build our flower. We're gonna do at least 2 lines. In the middle we're gonna put some blueberries. And then we sprinkle on top some brown sugar. We're gonna make the rest of them and then we're gonna put them in the oven for 25 or 30 minutes. And there they are, our pastry ready from the oven. Now we wait till they cool a little bit and then we will put them in a dish plate. Now that they are cold, we can put some icing sugar on top. Now they are ready to be served and to be shared with everyone. Okay, that's it for today. Thanks everyone for watching the video and to follow my channel. If you don't like the blueberry, you can carry on with the apple and go around. As usual, I remind you to subscribe if you like my channel, share the video with your friend, leave as well some feedback so I can improve the videos, and I'll see you in the next video. Ciao!